Hey, what's up guys, Akila here from Asian Meal Prep, and this week for meal prep I made a one-pot spicy Korean chicken. Check it out.
What's up guys, Akila here from Asian Meal Prep, and I have just launched a Kickstarter project to make the very first Asian Meal Prep recipe book complete with a fitness and nutrition guide, and I need your help to make this project come to life. Make sure you back me on Kickstarter at mealprep.asia/Kickstarter, and I'm really looking forward to produce the very first Asian Meal Prep recipe book for all of us. Thanks for being here guys, and I will see you next week with a brand new cheap, fast and nutritious Asian meal prep video. Have a great weekend.